Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Mosasaurus versus Megalodon Surprise Fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Megalodon versus Mosasaurus Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners of my paper and give them a nice fold, just like this. This way it's like I'm making a birthday card. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fold this one more time, line up the corners again, give it a nice fold right down here. Now when I open it up, I've got these nice little guidelines in here that show me where to keep the inside of my drawing. Now to start off with this, let's begin with the Megalodon. I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making a circle for the eye. We'll make it right about here. Then I'm going to make another circle right inside of here. Then I'm just going to go ahead and color this part in, leaving just that little circle white. Right above here, I'm going to make lines going to go up and down. And then right above the eye, I'm going to make a little line that's going to kind of go up, so it looks a little angry. Now, starting right here by this eyebrow, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out here. Then I'm going to curve it down. And then I'm going to bring this line right up to here. I'm going to make a big curve right up here for the fin. Then we're going to start here. I'm going to go down and then over here. I'm going to continue it right here. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up here for a little flipper, and we're going to curve it in. Up here, I'm going to make a little oval shape for the nose. And we'll put a little curved line around it. Then we'll make a little line right here. And then right across here, I'm going to make a little bit of like a wavy line that's going to come down to here. Right here, I'm going to add a couple little lines for some gills. And I'm going to make a little line right here on the flipper. I'll add a little line right here, and a little line right up here, and one over here. Next, over here, we're going to make our Mosasaurus. Now, to start off with our Mosasaurus, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come back in like a check mark. Then we'll draw a line that's going to go down and up here. I'm going to bring this little line down. And then I'm going to make a little pointed line for the pupil. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up and down. Then I'm going to make a long line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down. We're going to come over and then curve it up for like the jaw. And then we'll curve it up just a little bit more. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down. I'll put a couple little points and kind of make it come off for the flipper. We'll do a little line here. Then I'm going to bring a line over and then down for the back of the head, with a couple little curved lines over here. I'll make a little line right here for the nose, or a little dot, and we'll curve it around. I'm going to make a long little line that's going to come down here. And I'm going to curve this little line a couple times down. Now, once we have this, we want to open it up and draw the inside. After it's open, let's start with the Megalodon. I'm going to begin right here, and let's bring this line down a little farther. We'll curve it around, and we're going to come down to here, and we're going to bring this all the way down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to curve it over to here for that big Megalodon mouth. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back here for like the gums. And we'll do the same thing here. We'll go up and bring it back here. Now we're going to add some really sharp, pointy teeth all in here for our Megalodon, and we'll do the same thing here, just really big, sharp, pointy teeth. And I'll just make a little line right here for some detail. Now over here, let's draw the Mosasaurus mouth. So let's start here by drawing a little line that comes down. I'm going to bring this line down and back to here. Then I'm going to curve this line down here. We're going to come over and then just connect to here. We'll make a little curved line right here for kind of the back of the Mosasaurus's mouth, and I like to put a couple little lines in here. And then let's add some of those sharp teeth. We're going to make some kind of more curved teeth. Just big, sharp, curved teeth all the way through. And we'll do the same thing down here. Just some really big, sharp, curved teeth. Make a little line that goes right across here. And a little line right down here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Megalodon versus Mosasaurus Surprise Fold. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.